Epic delivered an advanced inspection solution featuring 4 stations to automate a manual process from start to finish. The first station verifies the presence and correctness of each component, ensuring complete and correctly assembled kits. The second station automates the labeling process, applying precise labels to each kit based on specific configurations. At the third station, optical character recognition ensures all label information, including expiration dates and part numbers, is correct and legible. The final station identifies and removes any kits with errors, guaranteeing only high-quality products proceed to the next stage. By automating these inspections, Epic's solution has significantly increased efficiency, enhanced quality control, reduced labor costs, and ensured full regulatory compliance. Set a new standard for quality and efficiency with Epic Systems. Visit epicsysinc.com to learn more.